Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 522. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use for this experiment. If you'd like to learn more about using Cash App, just check out the videos on my channel. I have hundreds of tutorials there. You can also get $5 for free if you sign up using my link in the description. Now let's go ahead and hop to the investment tab, which is the squiggly line in the tab bar. We have stocks and Bitcoin. We want to be on the Bitcoin tab. So Bitcoin is currently at $9,221, pretty much dead even on the day, up a little bit on the week, down a little bit on the month, and down a little bit on the year, but moving sideways for the most part if we look at an all-time chart. Nothing much has been happening for a while with Bitcoin. You know, if you look at this period, it's pretty steady. Nothing too major is happening. I would still call this a consolidation period after this huge run-up that we had in 2017, similar to what we saw here in 2013. A huge run-up and then consolidation for a long period of time. This is just a scaled chart. So really this percentage change right here is about the same as the one right here. So we're moving sideways just like we did through this zone here. And this could take a long period of time to do that, just a long period of consolidation before another big move happens. So let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. We can tap the buy button, tap the three dots, type in $7. We're doing $7 every Friday, just because it's easier than $1 every single day. Let's tap next, scan my fingerprint. It's going to give us our order details. We've still got a 3% fee on purchases, which kind of sucks, but you got to do what you got to do. And Cash App is super simple for buying Bitcoin. In the end, I'm not going to be worried about those fees. Tap done. We've just added some more Bitcoin to our account. If we look at our Bitcoin owned here, now over 0.07 Bitcoin, so that's pretty cool. Slowly working our way to our goal of 0.1 Bitcoin. If we looked at my activity, you'd see the consistent $7 purchases every Friday, just dollar cost averaging during this consolidation period. So let's go ahead and do the math on this one. $647, 647 divided by 522 days equals a 1.239x on our investment. So that's pretty good. Up a little bit on this investment, about 24%. Definitely happy with that. If you do the math, it's about $125 or something like that. I know people always ask like what the profit is. I don't consider this profit. I'm not selling it anytime soon. I'm holding this long term. Just like right here, Bitcoin was around $1,000 and then it went up to about $20,000. So that's a 20x. You know, if you look at 20x from here, that's like $200,000 or something. So I'm looking for Bitcoin over $100,000. And you know, if it hits $20,000, $50,000, $100,000, that's when you start to think, maybe I should start to sell some of this. You know, we've got some good profit. That's all for this video. Hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Definitely check out the other Cash App videos on the channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.